Good morning, beautiful ladies. Happy Sunday morning, although you'll be seeing this either Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. But it is Sunday. Get ready with me for church with my son and his friend. Okay, I was going to do Maybelline, but I have so much more e.l.f. to go through. One Maybelline that I really want to use again is their Fit Me powder. So this is a get ready with me, and I'm going to come back later because it's going to be 103. Dun, dun, dun. It just is what it is. It's hot and we don't want to melt. So I'm trying out my budget-friendly foundations and see how they wear, and then we'll just work our way up. Now I'm going to use e.l.f.'s Putty primer. I have prepped my skin with my normal skin morning prep. Let's see. Oh, yar. Okay. We're gonna glow. It's just what we do. All right. So how was your week? My yesterday was very traumatic. There's this friend of mine who has goats, and one of the goats, a new mother, she's only about 2, had 2. But it's really strange because the one was perfect size and the other one was just really tiny and not completely formed. My girlfriend and I tried for 24 hours to keep this little guy, see if we could bring him around, but God thought he needed another little goat for his flock. So it's Mother Nature. It's just really hard. Okay, I think that's good. Now I'm going to do the e.l.f. Soft Glam. It's always been a perfect, wonderful wear. This is medium buildable coverage, long lasting. 1% hydrating hibiscus complex, and this is in medium. We'll see. And if it isn't dark enough, I have my e.l.f. bronzing drops, which I think are fabulous too. A little goes a long way. So I'm just going to put some on my palm. All right, and I'm going to take my 115 BK Beauty, and I got a lot on there. Just do a little, pick it up, and do a light. I just want the light stuff. Oh, look how pretty. You know, I forget just how beautiful all of these budget-friendly e.l.f. Maybelline I will get. I need a few more Maybelline things to make it workable. I like to do as much of one product as possible. Pretty? Yeah, we'll come back and see if it's going to melt off. I had one beautiful lady ask me if the Serentia would hold up during sports. Now, I don't do sports. I'll do the treadmill, but I don't have makeup on when I do that. So I really, I don't know. I know a good setting spray would really be helpful. Okay, what do you think about that color? Beautiful. See? I still have a lot left to go on the other side. We'll do this. I'll run around. I cannot run around. Okay? Now, let's look up close. Already did my eyes. I'm going to tell you what I did in my eyes because I didn't have an e.l.f. This is MAC. When I went in for their huge sale. Look at this. It is heaven. Look how pretty. And I have the MAC. I have the MAC brows on. Okay. Now, what I want to do as another test is I'm taking my Revolution Super Fix Super Hold spray, and I'm going to do it mid roll. Wow. To see if this will help hold the foundation on, put it in with my damp sponge, and then we'll do some powder. Okay, I used Lash Extension by e.l.f. Last Xtndr. What I'm going to do is take my e.l.f. bronzer, these not bronzing drops. I don't need the bronzing drops. This is Camo Liquid Bronzer and Contour. I just want some contour today. Oh, I'm going to tell you about my nails too. All right. What I did, my nails got to a length and they looked healthy. I used this Cur, okay, and I let it set for like 30 minutes, and then I used the press-on with the already the little tabs, no glue, and I have had luck. So I think I'm onto something by coating your nails first, not using glue, using those little press-on pads, because it works. I'm telling you right now. I'll let you know if there's any change, but I wanted to tell you that. I'll list everything in the description below. I'm going to do a little contouring. And I'm going to use my makeup brush. All right. Got a high forehead. All right. Let's look up close. Really pretty. I think it is closer matched to my neck. Now we're going to see if it's a summer foundation. Now what else do I have? I just found this in my arsenal. This is the Putty Color Correcting Eye Brightener by e.l.f. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit in my, and I'm going to go here. Whoop! I think if you have your foundation there, and then you use an eye brightener. God, I had this, ladies. Oh my God. Oh my godness. Oh my godness. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, and I'm a little puffy again today. We had, well, I cried a lot yesterday over the little goaty goat. I am so like my mother. We're just so emotional when it comes to creatures, children. Children can be creatures sometimes too, if you know what I mean. I'm going to use this blushing blush. See this? Oh, some all over my glasses. See? Let's see. It's very, 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 very. Don't know if you can see. Okay. I'm going to take it with one of my favorite little 112, I believe it is. I'll list everything in the description below. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of this, beat it in, because I know it is very, very light. See? So it's just going to add blush. Blushing blush. It's very pretty. I think this was $3. And you know, I like to do a little of the blush there. Take my fluff McGruff. Yeah, just very light, you know. A nice casual look. Okay, look how lovely. Ooh, it's got a little glitter in it. Just take my blender. Kind of press. I dermaplaned yesterday too, and it just is such a difference when you take the fluff McGruff off your face. The lipstick. Okay, oh my goodness. This is a new one. This is e.l.f.'s Pout Clout Lip Plumping Pin. And this is in the color a burgundy something. You push the little pump up a little, a click. Look. Pretty, pretty. All right. So, you see it better on. I am going to take a lip liner. Now, I didn't have a pretty lip liner to match that with e.l.f. I'm using my MAC lip liners. They are some of the best. I have the majority of them because they just stay on, they write on easy. This is the color Soar. I'm going to pull this forward. I'm sorry when my camera goes light and dark. I just, you know, I'm not a professional. All right. Okay. Here we go. Oh, pretty. Oh. Ooh, it's got a cooling effect there. Okay, that is a beautiful color. Oh, I love the feel of it. I like them hydrated and glowy. I'm going to powder with my Maybelline Fit Me powder and light. And I'm going to take a pretty Fluff McGruff number 104, and I'm going to dip it. And then I'm going to do this, okay? And we're going to do glowy. Oh, yeah. Yeah. You don't need a high-end powder. I do it under my eyes, too. And then down here, in the shiny place, a greasy place. I bring my skincare all the way down. It's, you know, you need to, and then I go around. Because you don't want, well, a line of demarcation as well, but you don't want a rough neck on the back and beautiful on the front. People see your back. I like to do a little on that too, just a little. All right, I'd like a little more. To be mascara, you need lots of coats. And I used a curling, I'm going to say it, curling iron on this side. Eyelash curler, and I didn't on this side. So I'm just very blessed, and I am very grateful for these lashes. But I am taking care of them and using lash serum. Oh my gosh. Okay, now that I've powdered, I'm going to do this again. Okay. Oh, ladies. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Isn't it funny how you can transform yourself where it looks natural, but you're glowing, you're put together. I am tickled. And I'm hoping, if I remember right now, it's been, I don't know how long I've had this. If I've had it through a summer, probably have. Ooh. Okay, I like that eye brightener by e.l.f. Okay, beautiful ladies, this is it. I used mostly e.l.f. and I did use some MAC. Oh, my eyes are gorgeous. That eyeshadow is gorgeous. And it's so important to get a very waterproof brow pen or pencil, whatever you use, and a brow gel, because we really need those brows to stay, because we do wipe our brows, and it's not 100%. You know, if you really want to rub that off, you can, especially if you're sweating. But it will help. It will help keep them in place. All right, ladies, I'm ready to go to church. Be good to yourself, be kind to others, and I'll see you again soon. Beautiful ladies, my heart. No, I don't have any makeup on because this is not Sunday evening. We had so many people over for barbecue. They stayed. I did take a picture of my face, and it held up really well. I didn't powder. I didn't do anything. I didn't blot. I just left it alone because it was steaming. So this Soft Glam by e.l.f. is a keeper. And I think a good super hold setting spray like this one by Revolution. The only thing is that these, the super ones, they have alcohol in them. So I use this just on time I really want my makeup to stay, and when I was doing that test on Sunday. So I think it's fabulous. Oh, this eyeshadow palette that I said was MAC, that I got with a sale, this isn't the one. This is by Morphe. It's fabulous, and it's this price regularly. And it's beautiful. I absolutely love it. Then I lost a nail, but look how pretty my nail looks. So what I did was I put on my fortifier, and then I put on this, and this feels dry. It's been about 20 minutes. I am going to take an alcohol swab, and I'm going to wipe it on here, okay, and let that air out, and I'm going to put a new nail on. I absolutely love these nails. This is the Kiss No Glue manicure, and I'm not sure what the color is, but I just love them. So we're going to let this do that. And while we're waiting for that, I'd also like to say a prayer for Texas. It's just the devastation to watch it is just unfathomable. It's close to home for all of us, and I just pray. It's hard to understand. Just have to keep the faith. All right, I think that's dry now. I'm going to take this one and peel off the gutch And I cut these down a little bit because they're so long. And then I'm going to take it. You know, it would probably help if I had my glasses on. I'm going to go like this. Get it exactly situated. And then hold it down. Glasses are filthy. And I hold it down, you know, probably at least 30 seconds. But I tell you, this doing it with this fortifying nail, I don't know if you could do it with any nail polish. This polish just is very fortifying. Well, this is a fortifying oil that I use first. I use that once a day, and then this. And when I don't have nails on, I use this. And my nails have just come out fantastic. Okay? Ladies, I love you. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay hydrated, and don't step in anything squishy. I love you.